ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra ashapi ta ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Usambut Menteri Rangba jong ka jelna uba Preston Tensong ubala Shimti ban pej menta je ketenat sam boarding hapo kani ka jelna Meghalaya ula kentaj baga Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited kalangam jelom na kijing keno jersey bamsap ki bala jia baro shikata kisnem. Komu menteri ubala Shimti thma ye kani ketenat sam boarding uba Preston uloong ba ula boru hakmat ye ka thong ban penbha bat ban wengru ye kijing ki baga Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited kala yakendo mausiang hakiba bon kiliang. Susu uloong ru daga jingya trailang baru chairman cum managing director jong ke Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited bat kentum ru ki nong tray an sala aban penbha bat ban penjanai ye ka jing tray kam jong ke ka corporation.
Things is okay, but my only concern is about the way the functioning of MECL is concerned. I am really concerned about it because see in fact the outstanding liabilities is huge, and the reason is of so many factors. There are so many factors which needs to be attended to very seriously, and I don't blame anybody, but this problem, I'm telling you, we have been inherited not less than 20-25 years back till today. So therefore I'll try my best to to improve it, and then again to make sure that the outstanding liabilities is decreased, and also the revenue generation is again increased, and that it takes time. No doubt it takes time. It's not the issue of overnight that we can transform, can change everything. So jointly the CMD and then the whole team of employees of MECL, I think we'll be able to improve now on. I can't say much, but it is beyond 2,000 crores. These supplying companies, in fact, I should say it is justified for imposing regulation. But it happened just this year itself. It never happened all these past years. It never happened during 20 years, 15 years back. But this time it happened because even this supplying company, they are also in a bad shape financially. So they need to make sure that recovery has to happen. Again, it's a question of survival for them too. So they pass on this, this burden to those consumers. Not only MECL but other power corporation in different parts of India, and not only MECL alone who incurs so much losses, but other corporations who more or less they're facing the same problem. So that's why right now ultimately Government of India has allowed us to to avail one-time loan, and this loan is meant specifically to clear all the outstanding dues of the supplying power company, be it NIPCO, be it NTPC, be it other organization, and now more or less I think we'll be able to clear the outstanding dues of all of them, I think within a short span of time. This problem inherited long time back. That's what I'm saying. Whom to blame? 20-25 years back till today, we keep carrying over the liability. We keep increasing every year the liability. So therefore, ultimately now we face this situation as of today. But we will try our best from the government to make sure that regulation does not happen again in the near future, and hopefully we'll be able to provide satisfactory services to all the consumers throughout the state. When the government decided to constitute judicial inquiry, means we have already drafted, we have already indicated the terms of reference. So you please go back to the notification issued by the government and you reply yourself. I have nothing to say on that because it is up to the chairman. We already appointed, so we told them to complete as early as possible. So let us see. It is up to them to start working out the details of the, the details of the inquiry functions, which is indicated in the terms of reference.